location of my miter saw station here in my shop. But the problem I've been having over the past years or so since I put this over here is exactly where to put the vacuum, because in the past I had the vacuum right down here by this door in my workbench, and whenever I wanted to walk through here, well, sometimes I would trip over it. So anyhow, I built this shelf to hold the vacuum, and then the separator just sits right down here behind this platform for my miter saw station on the old bench itself. So it seems to work very well. I like the location now. So I got the vacuum up here, which I don't have to empty very often, if at all, so it's out of the way on that nice sturdy shelf. When I want to empty out the separator, hey, that's easy to get to. And of course my miter saw is right there. And so is the wing of my miter saw that has the stop blocks on it. So this works really nice because now I can get into this door, see, no problem whatsoever. I can just walk in, open up the door, and walk into this area of my cold storage. No problem. And there's no obstructions on the floor. Nothing for me to trip on anymore. So I definitely think this is a big win for my shop, big upgrade. It's fairly simple to do. I just had to think about where to put that vacuum. Before I thought about putting it down underneath, and that would require me to remove some shelves. And my gut feeling is I just don't like to remove shelves in the shop because you can never have enough shelf space. So instead of removing shelves down there, I added a shelf up here, and I'm very, very happy with it.